In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gold on Oanda. Before we begin, a quick note on what you're trading. On Oanda, gold is available as XAUUSD, which is a contract for difference, not physical gold. That means you're speculating on the price of gold against the US dollar without taking delivery of any metal. Price moves, spreads, and margin all matter here, so keep risk in mind throughout. Start by opening your preferred Oanda-supported platform and logging in. You can do this on MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or the Oanda Trade platform. Make sure your connection status is green and your account is set to the correct mode so your orders can execute as expected. If you're new, practicing the exact same steps on a demo account first is a smart way to get comfortable. Next, add the gold symbol if it isn't already visible. On MT5 or MT4, open the Market Watch window, right-click anywhere inside it, and choose Symbols. In the search field, type XAUUSD. When you see the symbol, double-click to enable it. Once it's active, XAUUSD will appear in your instrument list, and you'll be able to select it just like any currency pair. With the symbol enabled, open the chart so you can analyze price. Right-click XAUUSD and select Chart Window. Choose a time frame that matches how you plan to trade. Shorter charts like M5 are for quick intraday moves, while H1 or H4 provide a broader view for swing trades. Take a moment to zoom in and out to understand recent highs, lows, and momentum before placing any order. When you're ready to trade, click New Order. In the order ticket, set your volume, also known as lot size. Pick a size that aligns with your account and risk tolerance, as larger positions amplify both gains and losses. Enter a stop loss to define where you'll exit if price moves against you, and a take profit to lock in gains at your target level. Finally, choose Buy if you expect gold to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. Remember that orders execute at the available price, and spreads and volatility can affect fills. Here's an example to tie it together. Symbol, XAUUSD, lot size, 0.01, buy price, 2,300, take profit, 23.15, stop loss, 22.90. In this case, you're aiming for a $15 move in your favor with a $10 protective stop. After placing the trade, monitor it on your platform. You can adjust or close it if your plan changes. That's the process. Keep your charts clear, size your trades responsibly, and let your stop loss and take profit enforce your plan.